Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm gonna be doing something a little different. I'm not gonna be showing you guys how to do glitches or something like that. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys all the new changes that are gonna be coming out to GTA Online. And there are gonna be a few of them, so let's go ahead and get into it. If you want to go and get yourself a modded account with billions of dollars for cheap, make sure you go and check out Messy Modding. They can even boost your current account with money levels, modded cars, modded outfits, and more. So if you want to go and check out what they can offer you, then make sure you go and check out the link down below in the description, and let's get into it. So with one of the new brand new changes to GTA 5 Online that's going to be coming out is going to be they're going to be changing the prices for almost every single vehicle. Not every single vehicle, but a good amount of vehicles. They're going to be changing the prices on them. Now it all depends on how the car is. Now they are going to be raising the price on the Mk2 Oppressor. Now I don't know exactly how much it's going to be now with the new update, but they're going to be raising the price on it and with a few other cars as well. And for the vehicles that are going to be going down on price is going to be the Ruiner 2000 and the Stormberg. Those prices are going to be going down, and other vehicles are also going to get priced down. So pretty much they're going to be inflating some prices and deflating some prices, and they're going to be releasing a whole entire new list later today showing you guys every single vehicle, and you might probably see it in the game with all the new price changes. Now in my opinion, if I had to guess for the Mk2 Oppressor, I bet they're going to probably put around $4 million to $5 million, and maybe the Ruiner 2000 maybe $1 million, because that car is pretty useless in my opinion. But yeah, those are going to be one of the new features added to GTA 5 Online. And now let's go ahead and check out with the next one, which is my favorite. The next brand new thing that's going to be added to GTA 5 Online is, they're not really brand new, but it's coming back, is finally they're going to be adding custom plates. So if you don't know already, about like a year ago, Rockstar Games for some reason ended up removing custom plates out of the game for who knows what, probably just because they had to revamp it, because the iFruit app, that thing was laggy. So they ended up removing the iFruit app, so you can't get custom plates no more until now. So the new way that we're going to be able to go get custom plates now is by desktop or mobile. I believe they're going to be having a whole entire new website where we can go on and create our own custom plates, and we can make up to 30 custom plates of our own, which is amazing because I ran out of my custom plates because I got dupe detected. And if you know, if you get dupe detected, you lose your custom plates. But yeah, I do need to guess a few of them now, but hopefully now with this new update, it's going to be so much more easier changing plates, because before, if you've done custom plates before, you know how annoying the iFruit app used to be. It would crash every like 10 seconds, something like that. But hopefully with this new website and mobile app, it's going to be easy. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button with notifications on, because when it does come out, I'm going to be dropping a tutorial on how to get custom plates in GTA 5 Online. So make sure you hit that sub button. And Rockstar Games are going to be adding a few other things later this week of that they still have not announced or have been leaked, but these are going to be all of the new features that so far have been announced through leakers or Rockstar Games themselves. And if you want to know how to get every single jogger in GTA 5 Online, then make sure you go and check out this video right here, and see you in the next video.